Welcome to today's tutorial on the %upper built-in function in IBM I. This function is used to convert parts of string or complete string to uppercase. Let's break down how this function works using an example. The %upper function takes a string and converts specified parts of it to uppercase. The syntax is %upper string start length, where string is the string you want to convert. Start is the position to start converting. It's optional and defaults to the beginning of the string if not specified. Length is the number of characters to convert. It's also optional and defaults to converting from the start position to the end of the string. Let's dive into an example to see how %upper works in action. str1 equals %upper hello. This converts the entire string hello to uppercase. So, str1 will display hello. str2 equals %upper string 2. This starts converting from the second position of the string hello and goes to the end. Hence, the output will be hello. str3 equals %upper hello 2 3. Here, we start at position 2 and convert the next three characters to uppercase. So, only substring is converted, resulting in hello, comma. When we display these variables, str1 will show hello, str2 will show hello, str3 will show hello. The %upper function is a powerful tool for transforming strings in IBM I, allowing you to convert specific parts of a string to uppercase based on your needs. Use it to format your data efficiently. Thanks for watching our video tutorial on the %upper built-in function in IBM I RPGLE by programmers.io. Stay tuned for more IBM I tutorials.